Ladies and gentlemen, we all come here to get an idea about media gatekeeping. Today's discussion is, of course, important because all of you who are interested in learning about media gatekeeping have come here. First of all, I would like to give you some basic ideas about media gatekeeping. Gatekeeping is an idea that does not allow to deliver all the news to the audience. Through media gatekeeping, it is decided which information will reach the audience and which information will not reach. Not all the news are accepted in the news agency. The news that seems interesting to them, they only reach that news to the audience. You have been hearing a lot about media gatekeeping for so long. Now the question is, who are the gatekeepers? Gatekeepers are usually the editors of a news channel. News agencies get a lot of news every day, and it is not possible to print every news. That's why news filtering is so important. Think it in this way. An agency gets 200 news every day, and in this case it is not possible to publish 200 news in a day. So that's why he published 20 news which may attract the audience. Gatekeepers has the power of news channel to edit the news as they wish, and they have the ability to know when a news needs to be published. The gatekeepers looks at different aspects when they filter the news. They looks at political factors, cultural factors, and much more. Ladies and gentlemen, people do not get all the information for gatekeeping. But should all the information really be known to the people? We will know the reason for gatekeeping. Suppose there is a bad quote about a prominent person in a country. Gatekeepers cannot publish that statement. If they publish that statement, the follower of that honorable person will riot in the streets and the situation in the country will get worse. Think it in another way. There is a person who spreads bad impression about a particular religion, and if the news agency reports that news, then the situation of the country will get worse. The religious people will join the movement. Ladies and gentlemen, we learned about gatekeeping, gatekeeper, and the reason for gatekeeping. Now you may be wondering, where did the gatekeeping concept come from? Now we will know where this come from. Gatekeeping theory was discovered by a German psychologist named Kurt Lewin. The gatekeeping theory was first used in the psychological sectors, then it began to use in communication. The owner of a news company can play the role of gatekeeper. There are some news company owners who have more than one business besides news agency business. They do not allow any news to be published in their newspaper which would tarnish the image of their company. In this way, they are not allowing the news to come to the audience. They are cancelling the news for their benefits. In this way, gatekeepers do not allow all the news to reach the audience. They only publish the news that people should see. We already know what is gatekeeping, who does the gatekeeping, and the gatekeeper's job. These things can seem confusing to you if I don't give real life examples. Since we all are Bengalis here, I want to explain this with the context of Bangladesh. Suppose you are working for a news channel which is ATN Bangla and you are a editor of that company. You are getting a lot of news every day. Now you need to know which news you need to publish and which news you have to remove. The news that you choose in this way is called filtering. Now you see that the news that you are taking is only going to the audience and the news that you are not taking is not going to the audience. This is the media gatekeeping. You can't give all the news to everyone. You have to do news shaping. You know what? There are not as many gatekeepers in other channels of communication as there are gatekeepers in mass media. Another interesting thing about gatekeepers is that gatekeepers can avoid any news if they want. There are some gatekeepers who change the news while doing the shaping. As a result, the audience does not get actual news. I would like to end this statement with summary of my whole concept. Gatekeeping is an idea through which news filters are made and these news filters are usually done by gatekeepers. Not all type of news reach the audience in general, only interesting news published in newspapers. Gatekeepers usually do news shaping, which may change the news. But gatekeeping is important because if you refrain from doing it, then it may lead to bad situations. All of this was the main theme of today. I hope you all get the information correctly. Thank you so much for listening to me. Stay well. Thank you so much.